Sober living incident reporting is where safety matters stops being a slogan and becomes something your staff can actually use. When a relapse, a missing medication, or a police response hits the house, staff need more than what they remember. Every operator says safety matters. This is the workflow that turns that claim into something operational. We will cover what should count as an incident, what a report has to capture, and how to turn that paperwork into real follow-up. Start by deciding what counts. Every resident should define this clearly, in policy, before anything goes wrong. Suspected or confirmed substance use, an overdose or medical emergency, threats, violence, or assault, and any self-harm concern. A missing resident, contraband discovery, property damage, theft, or a serious rule violation that needs formal follow-up. Here is the mistake operators keep making. Waiting until a crisis to decide whether something was serious enough to document is how the record falls apart. By the time anyone asks what happened, the moment to capture it cleanly is already gone. This is where software helps. Recovery Residence software is designed to support resident notes, incidents, and follow-up in one place. Instead of a one-off form in a binder, an incident lives next to the resident's notes. Connecting incidents to resident notes is what makes follow-up possible instead of optional. A good incident report is factual, not theatrical. Every report has to capture 5 things. Miss one, and the report is incomplete. First, the facts of the event. Record the date, the time, and the location, and every person involved in the incident. Second, an objective description of what happened. Describe what actually happened, in plain, factual terms. Stick to direct observations, not interpretation. Third, the immediate safety actions your staff took. Capture every action taken to keep residents and staff safe in the moment. Fourth, the notifications you made. Note who was contacted, whether that was a supervisor, EMS, or family, and referral sources if applicable. Fifth, the next step plan and who is signing off. Spell out what happens next, so the report drives action. Then attach a staff signature or attribution. If a report can't explain what happened, what was done, and what happens next, it is incomplete. Operators treat incident reports as one-off paperwork. Over time, they are far more useful than that. Read across reports and you can see which shifts or houses keep seeing the same issues. Whether a specific resident needs a different support plan. Whether your rules are unclear or unevenly enforced, and whether staff need better escalation training. One operational rule matters more than most. Incident reports record facts, direct observations, and documented actions. They are not the place for speculation, diagnoses, or staff venting. That discipline protects residents, staff, and the organization. Stop relying on memory when the hard week hits. See incident reporting built into your resident records at behavehealth.com. See Recovery Residence software for resident notes, incidents, and follow-up. Book a demo at behavehealth.com.